I have just been to Halford's, and out of interest, Ronald McDonald is no more. I don't know what's happening. It may be having a refurbishment, but there's no Donald's for me. I've only had one this year anyway. So yeah, no Donald's. But Halford's has come through for me. As you can see here, we have horrible, nasty speaker. It was working until I probably got it out and made all this fray like that. But it's only got 3 screw holes. So, a bit of an issue with that when trying to fit it back in, which I'll show you how I bloody got it out and everything. So it's rather difficult. So I've got some new Pioneer ones. So they'll probably only be held in by 1 screw, but we'll try and just screw it in the best we can. Even though it won't need screwing in properly because it's got its own housing and it just pushes all together anyway once it's in that door card. So yeah, we're going to change all 4. And yeah, obviously that window opener is off because we were fixing the window previously. But now we're on to speaker crew. Yes, speaker crew. Right, car speaker crew, I last saw you when we was taking this out, or trying to. What it was, you cannot take the speaker out of here. Yeah, so you have to undo. The way it's designed, honestly. But anyway, so you have to undo these screws here, and you have to undo that black bit here, which is the 2 screws there, for there and there. And yeah, what happens is, you undo it all, and then, see this here, you're able to pull that bit back, and slide the speaker out. So now, I've got to try and slide one of the new speakers in, and then don't forget, the holes are bloody different on this. There's only 3 holes on this, and the speakers I've got are 4 holes, but none of them will match up to what they've already drilled in. Unless I can make new drill holes, you know, screw holes. No, I can't. Look, see, look, 1 there, 1 there. I might be lucky. No, it's the way it's designed. Look, it's I don't think I'll be able to do it, but at least I'll have 1 screw hole there. That'll do, because it'll be held in place. Ain't gonna move around or move, you know. So once it's in there, so yeah, we'll get back to you. Right, Halfords are stupid. They've cost me 60 quid, and look, it's the wrong bloody size. They're stupid. They've given me the wrong size. When I gave them the look at it. Stupid. Now I have to go back. Fucking hell, get them changed over. They gave me the wrong size. Back from Halfords, it cost me another £32. So it's cost me £43.99 plus 88 quid. Because I haven't bought, I've bought 4, but they've only had 2, but I've paid in advance, so they got to give me a phone call so I can do the back ones. So this is going to be a staggered out video. It's now Tuesday still, and it's 4:30 or something like that. Anyway, I don't need the housing, so, oh look, it's got different holes. Oh, I might be able to fit it in. Might work. Look at me hand shaking because I'm bloody, there we go. Right, so, because we've only got 3 holes, haven't we? Right, so now I'll show you the difficulty of getting this into there. Hopefully it will mount in fine because I've got this sticking outy bit, you see. So hopefully it will just mount on okay. Right, speaker crew, I've connected that. They come in with 2 wires like this, so you connect those pins to the speaker. And I've just cut these off. So what I'll have to do is cut this plug off, because obviously we can't fit it in there no more. Cut it off, wrap these around, and I've got some bloody tape. So let's hope that bloody works. We'll test it before I even bloody do it, before I fit it in. Bodge it and leg it, connect it up. Now we've got to see if it works. Right, here comes the sound. It's only on the right hand side, isn't it? No sound. What have I done wrong? Right, I don't know. Right, a little bit of trouble. As you can hear, I've got sound coming out of this one. Yeah, this side was working. So before I took that wire off on the back, I'll see if the speakers are bust, because this front one is not working at all. I don't know what's up with it. So I ain't got a clue what's going on. So I'm just gonna do what I can do. So there we go. Right, it must be something I've done wrong. There's a little bit of sound coming out of here. Very tiny. But why? Why only a little bit? I can definitely hear it. So let's put that on again. I'll put the balance. Ugh. No. No. Right, so let's do the balance again.
The other day I was out with the missus and I went to the ladies' clothes shop and I noticed the shoes that ladies are wearing nowadays are extremely pointed.
So that's back.
How the fuck can you wear those pointed shoes? If your shoes are too tight, take them.
And that's the front. So that's the right. Well, balance. That's full right. And that's full left. But now I've got a bit of sound, which is better than before. I didn't have no sound whatsoever. So what have I done wrong? Oh, is the speaker wire broken somewhere in there? Like here. Can't work it out. Anyway, we're getting somewhere. Right, I've even changed the speaker wire over. Still dead. What's full volume? That's full volume. So if I go to the back now, you can hear that. But this front one, fucking hell. Well, I've changed the speakers round, so that works. This one's going to be dead. It's going to be dead. So I ain't got no left-hand side speaker working. Never mind. Right, it's working like that. With them in there, I'm going to tape them in there, because maybe taking off that plug off the front fucks it. So I'm not taking any gambles. So you have to fit it through that. You have to undo those screws that place the speaker through there after taking out these. Then put your screws back, and then you have to find the hole for screws to put them back in. I don't think I'm gonna. I might just place it in there as is, because it ain't gonna move. Yeah. Ring-dig-a-ding, ring-dig-a-ding. In case you're wondering, it definitely needed a new speaker. Let's say to that, but it was still working. 31 years old. But yeah, no good. Well, it was making noises. It was no good. It was vibrating. Anyway, there we go. Well, as shown previously about the screw issue I had, I couldn't find any holes, so I just made two there. So there's one there. I just screwed it in. It's only foam and it's solid. So yeah, I made two new ones, so that'll keep it in place. Right, there we go. So what I'm going to do is get some red tape and just tape it and then that's working. I don't want to disconnect that connector. So it's working. That's what we'll do. Right, job done. There we go. Red tapes. Sounds good. So we're happy days. Now for the rest of them. Well, I'll see if I can get that front one working. Maybe that one needs to be working to get that one working. I don't know. We'll find out. One more test before I put everything back, and we're all good. Yep, happy with that. Job done. Right, that's the last time I have to piss about with that door. We're done. Now I've got the front. Right, back at the front. We've got sound connected now. That's happy days. So the back speaker needed to be connected for the front speaker to work. Obviously, these ones were shagged. So now we got that side working. Now I have to wait another week until I get a delivery for 2 more, so we can do the driver's side and passenger back side. So I'll see you in a week. How quickly time flies. It is now Sunday the 17th of August, and we've got the speakers that have arrived, so we shall begin with the front and then do the back, and we should be complete with this job. We shall begin with the front driver's door. Unfortunately, the switch isn't working, so the mirrors don't work properly, the electric mirrors, but the windows work except for the back. That back switch right there does not work, the same as the back, so I think there's an issue with the back window which we'll have to address, or it might be a fuse. But for now, we're just taking off door cards and repairing speakers at the moment. Old one out, there's the state of that one. It really was a mess. Look, it's got nothing on the outside left, except for that little crumbly bit there. New one in. We can hear some football commentary. So there we go. Now we just got to put this back on. We're now back on, and happy days. It is now time for the back door. We do the back door. The electric window isn't working, so maybe there's something wrong there with the fuse. We don't know yet. But now we're doing the speaker. Accidentally dropped the speaker or something. I went to catch it. Something's cut my it sliced it right open. It won't stop bleeding. And I've got blood on my fucking door card. I've just put the speaker in, and I've got to do it all up. But it bloody won't stop. It will not stop bleeding. I've really sliced it open. Horrible. There it is. You can see that I've sliced it open. Can you? It's a right nice slice. Slice. That looks nice, that. Anyway, I don't know if there's anything in there. Oh my goodness, that you can see right through. Oh, it's a nice one, that one. Happy days. Back speaker is now working. Here is the old one. Terrible. There we go, we're all complete. Now, next time I've got to clean up all the door cards now, because I've got blood. That is my blood. And here, blood. Yeah, so blood, sweat and tears went into this job. But we're now complete, and we're happy days, and I'll see you on the next job.